Hello garden lovers, my name is Anita. In this video, I show you how to care for tomatoes. Tomatoes are one of our favorite vegetables. An annual plant, it bears its red fruits from July to October. In autumn the plant dies. It is not only delicious, but also has a good effect on the body, due to its high content of vitamin C and other mineral contents. Flowers are yellow from which the fruit develops. It needs to be watered regularly. Water-demanding plant. Its leaves droop under the hot sun. The ground must be covered with straw. In rainy weather it can be affected by fungal diseases. It is worth putting it in a sheltered place. If it becomes fungal, spray the leaves with a mixture of nettle leaves and milk and water. The soil should have a loose texture, but retain some moisture, and water should not just flow through it. It also requires calcium, so it is worth mixing eggshells into the soil. If you liked this video, subscribe, push the like button and share it.